How to fix the CapCut file not supported problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to open a video on CapCut but it shows the problem file not supported, it could be because of the file type. Usually, CapCut supports MP4 or MOV file type. So first of all, what you can do is open any of your preferred browser. On the new file, type in video converter. Now tap on any of the online tool that you can use to convert the file type. First of all, tap on convert your file and this should take you to another page. From there, you will see the option to upload your file. You can download and upload the file using your camera roll, media picker and much more options. Select the file that was not supported on CapCut and once that is done, convert it in MP4 file type. Once that is done, download the file and now you can download and upgrade it on the CapCut itself. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.